Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Stockfish on chess.com. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Right now you can see that I'm on the home page of chess.com. Now you have to click on the three-line button from the top left corner. Okay, now you can see there are many options. At the first place you can see it is written learn. Click on it. And at the second place you can see analysis button. Tap on it. Okay, this is where you can use the Stockfish engine. So scroll down to the top so you can use any of it. Just make a move. Okay, now you can see it's analyzing here, analyzing the steps. Okay, before that, how to just make it to Stockfish, you can see a settings button here. Okay, click on it. Then you can see strength at the second place. Tap on it and you can choose the first one. After that you can see a chase engine. Click on it and you can see you can use any of the engine. So I have selected Stockfish 16. Then click on the cross mark. So go back. After that, let me show you how to use it. Okay, so I have turned on the Stockfish engine. Now right now you can see that it's evaluating the next possible best move. You have to just tap on any of it. Like you can see that it is denoted as 1 2 3 4. Just tap on any of it. Okay, you can see that the black has moved one piece. Now it's time for white move. You can choose any of it. That's how easily they will instruct you the possible best way to make a move. So this is how it works and this is how you can use it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.